When's the last time you really cleaned your refrigerator? Not just wiping a spill, we're talking clean. Here's what you're missing and why it matters. Your fridge looks clean on the surface, but hidden underneath are sticky spills, forgotten expired food, bacteria growing in those crisper drawers. Plus, that mystery smell you can't find? A dirty fridge wastes energy and costs you money. Here's the professional clean process. Step 1. Empty the fridge completely. Sort items and toss expired foods. Step 2. Remove shelves and drawers. Then, wash all parts with warm, soapy water. Step 3. Wipe interior walls with a baking soda solution. Place fresh baking soda inside to deodorize. Step 4. Clean door seals and the drip pan. Also brush or vacuum the condenser coils. Step 5. Reload and organize group similar foods. Keep airflow clear and labels facing front. A properly cleaned fridge smells fresh, runs more efficiently, saving on electric bills, and keeps food safer longer. Do this clean quarterly for best results. Don't have time for appliance cleaning? Our professionals tackle refrigerators, ovens, and all those kitchen tasks you keep putting off. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332 www.bearbroscleaning.com.